William Shakespeare once said, "O Lord, that lends me a life, lend me a heart replete with thankfulness." Hey guys, what's up everybody? Rizwan Parmar here, and today I am so excited to thank you all the viewers, subscribers, and those who have taken the extra effort to comment in the video. So, a week ago, I uploaded my first YouTube video. It was totally a different experience in my life. You know, I am not at all photogenic. I don't like my pictures, I don't like my recorded voice. But then too, started doing all of this. And because of you guys, it turned out amazingly awesome. All of you guys loved it and appreciated me. And that feeling, oh, I can't express. So I didn't want it to wait until my first 1,000 subscribers and then making the video, Thanksgiving video. I want it now. In this video, I will make that 1,000 subscribers video too. I am taking down all the names in the notes, but I don't want it to delay to appreciate you guys. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm starting to say all the beautiful names of those awesome people. I have written down all the names in this book. And beware of the last one. I will show you that person at the end of this video. Okay, so here are the names. Huge thanks to my parents first, it's obvious. Thanks to my sister too, Namira Parmar. Thanks to my grandfather Ahmed Kalania. Jilan Warsi, thanks for your support. Roxana Masi, Hanif Kalania, Anisa Mami. Huge thanks to Taiba Ansari. Thanks for your kind support. Mushtaq Kalania, Sahil Warsi, Shoaib the hero, Rafiq Masa, Irfan Masa, Rehana Masi, Suhana, super enthusiastic girl, Khushi Mishra, she is awesome. So much inspired by her. Zoya, super helpful personality, aka Sangu. Rubina Kadiwala, Fariz, Moiz Ansari, Sheikh Ali, Sahil Kadiwala, Shah Rabi, Kadiwala Mahir, Afrin Apa, Amreen Hussain, Sayoni, thank you Sayoni, Mr. Irfan Nalband, Shoaib Payak, Ismail Patel, Shweta Samira Man, Shahid Sayyid, Khan Anmol, thank you for your appreciation. Mr. Danish Sayyid, Rupali Man, Mahesh Bhai, Rekha Mara Man, Akbar Kirti Man, Pratibha Man, Sheikh Shahid, Muhammad Ali, Nawaz Khan, Khan Salman, Namrata Man, Tanmay, Afzal Khan, Ahmad Sheikh, Farman, thank you. Khan Musab, thank you Musab. Ayan, Shoaib Sir, Sahil Bhai, Arman Bhai, and be aware of the last one. As I said, I will show you at the end of the video. the final results of the artwork. I hope you like it. Okay, so here she is, Isna, my cute little cousin. Don't go on the cute face. Only those artists can understand how dangerous this cuteness is. Who has a toddler in their house while doing painting? Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Comment below how do you like this video, because I will shout out the best comment in the next video. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.